Oh, he stinks. Oh, Reg, man, that's the second time.
Well done, Reggie.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel.
Hello, welcome back. So today...
He's here, he's on the video.
And I'm walking.
Yep, he's been a while out of the game, but he's back to watch me do the work. What he's best at doing, eh?
Yes, indeed. I won't be doing much.
No, what we got today is the prop shaft seal. So where it comes out of the transfer box, we've got the leak's been gradually getting worse. So as it comes out of the transfer box, there's oil dripping.
So it's a €20 part?
Yeah, it was a €20 part. That was including delivery.
Well, we had to get it from the UK. Yeah. We couldn't find one here.
So €20 including the delivery. So really cheap fix if it fixes it, which I'm sure it will. And yeah, we've got to take the prop shaft off and then pop the seal out, and that should be about it. So let's crack on.
Bob is our uncle.
Bob is our uncle.
Right, let's crack on.
Right, so we're going to start off by draining the fluids. Now we've got the fill bung up here and we've got the drain plug right here. There's a 24 sized socket or spanner. Now I'm going to take off the fill one first, because obviously if I can't get that off and I drain the oil out, then I'm never going to get any back in. So we'll start off with this one.
A few times.
Yeah.
Eddy it off.
It's a horrible thin little... There we go.
Bit like my legs. Horrible thin little things.
Yeah, right, that's loose. Box it's breaking a heat. There we go. Right.
Reggie's just woken up.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, so here we are at the centre bearing. I'm going to start with this, and we're going to take off the two bolts, the nuts actually, that hold it on. Now these are two 14 mils. And we're now onto the rear diff. So you can see we've just done a little dot there so we can match it up exactly how it was. And these are a size 12 and 14 mil. So now we've just got to get the prop shaft detached here. There we go, it's coming. Right, you ready?
Yep.
And we've just got to lift the centre bearing up and over. This side. There we go. And now if we go backwards.
Yeah, you're still on. That's it.
Oh, thank you. And just slide that out of there. Hang on. Just need to change grip. There we go. And that's the end we need to get out. Right there. Okay, so here's the seal up here. You can see it's that piece of rubber right there inside, which we're changing. So this should tap off and it gives us a bit more access to that seal. So I'm going to just take this off because it will give me more access to pry that out. Right, just take out the two front ones, bend that down. Wahee. That's it. Right there we go. Wahee.
So,
yeah, that's as perished as you like. It's crispy, hard. Yeah. Right then, let's sit that in as flat as pos then.
Right, third time lucky.
Yep.
We've both dropped it. We've both covered it in reg fur.
And dirt.
And dirt. So it's had another clean.
Yeah.
Blue dot at the top.
Right.
For what it's worth.
Let's get
that. It's a bugger.
Yeah, it is. Right.
Right, you're going to have to hit me as well, I think.
No, that's it. Right, move your fingies. That's it.
Oh, positively done.
Now it's just tapping it because that.
That's tapping. Your drumming skills are coming in there.
They are, aren't they?
What are you drumming that to? Is that Ballroom Blitz?
I think so. I think we're in. Okay, so now the seal's back in. I've cleaned up the shield here and I'm going to tap that back on. Right there is its limit, and that's where it sits. I'm going to get these bolts in. Like that. Alright. Right there. Right, so how close is that? That's it, we're on. That's it.
Blue or red as they call it, but ours is green.
I think we'll go for
Green.
green, I think, yeah.
The one thing I don't want is a loose shaft.
No. Right then, so these are going to get torqued down to 35 Newton meters, so if you could hold the back ones, let's start on him.
Which doesn't seem much, does it?
No, ready? There's one.
Yep.
So this is going to be a full double ugga-dugga on that one.
You probably won't be able to turn that one because I was on it.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, yeah. This one's going to be stuck. Oh.
Bastard.
Well, it's definitely not going anywhere. Nice.
Nice job.
We're done.
Oh, we're done.
Yeah, wicked. Right, so that's it done. I mean, that was a €20 fix. He's standing a bit funny because he's saying, oh, you can't even see your legs.
Oh, can't you? Oh, good. No. You can't see the old twiglet legs.
No,
oh, happy days.
He was complaining about his twiglet legs the other day. But that was actually quite an easy job, just a little bit more time consuming because you got to
Easy job, I didn't do anything.
But an easy job, yeah. And yeah, that was a €20 fix. It's going to save us a lot of fluid. So
well, we hope so. I don't see any reason it's went the treat.
Yeah, shouldn't leak. So hopefully you learned something and now giving you a bit of confidence to do it, because if we can do it, anyone can do it. So thank you very much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.
Thank you.